Hi Capricorns, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for November 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being asked to dive into these oracle decks that I have here. Capricorns, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Before I proceed, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for your support in this journey. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of October, stepping into November 2021, we have the Ace of Cups here. I think relationships were an issue here for most of you. Maybe ego was also coming in the way. Perhaps for some of you, money or your financial condition could also have created discord in your relationships. Ideally, I think it would have been prudent for you to hold your tongue. Maybe there was also excess work in these final days, or maybe there was also cancellation of your planned work, and this may have resulted in excess or overload of work. Obstacles to overcome this month, or the challenges that November is going to pose for Capricorns worldwide, is the Four of Cups. This lady here, she seems to be emotionally discontented here. Perhaps you're also going to be lost in your own world. You want to isolate yourself. You may be thinking about what has been or what may have been. This is the energy that you're carrying forward. Maybe you think that you had a chance with respect to matters of the heart, but then you didn't take it, or there could be something amiss here in your relationships. Perhaps it would be best for you to stay away from arguments. Sometimes, you may also feel that people are two-faced or they are self-centered. Nonetheless, I think this month is going to present you an opportunity, or people are going to hear you out. Influences for this month, we have the Six of Wands. Whatever the emotional imbalances that November is going to pose for you, we do have the Six of Wands. So claim is definitely on the cards for you. You are coming across as someone who is quite admirable. You are going to be up and about. I think your popularity also seems to be on an all-time high. It is your intelligence which will also help you make gains, so you need to capitalize. Nevertheless, I think Capricorns, you should also be careful, because financial matters or maybe some errors in financial affairs could affect your relationships. Maybe there will be those times when you feel that money is running out. Even if you earn a bit, you may feel as though you have to pay up people, or that nothing remains for you. You should also be careful, because secrets could come out in the open. While working also, I think you need to pay attention. Maybe you are going to ignore the details. That means that you have to review the task, or it means that you have to redo everything all over again. November is also the time for reunions. The first 10 days of the month, we have the Three of Cups here. I think you are going to benefit on account of your acquaintances, or you need to network a bit. Socializing is also the key here. Maybe you will also learn about the social media from others around you or younger people in your life. The next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th November, we have the Queen of Swords. Perhaps in these days you will distance yourself. You may be coming across as someone who is not going to brook any nonsense here. You're going to keep to your own self. Basically, your focus is also going to be on work. You're somebody who will rush through with the chores. Maybe you feel that time is at a premium. I think even if you're undecided about how you should proceed, you will get on with the task. Besides, this is the Swords energy, so you're also going to be someone who is going to be free, fair and impartial. I think you are carrying that energy forward. Maybe you're someone who's also quite demanding. Also, Capricorns, you should be prepared, because there could be changes in your schedule. Maybe meetings are going to be cancelled, or they are going to be preponed. Mentally, you're quite alert, and this is going to open new possibilities for you, which you are going to grab. Money or wages could also come in at this time. Other than that, I'm also picking up that technically you could be challenged in this time. Maybe gadgets need to be fixed. The final days of November, that is towards 21st to 30th November, we have the King of Pentacles. This is your energy, which is the earth energy. Possibly you have the Midas touch here. Possibly you're somebody who is going to make hay while the sun shines. In case you're making your way for an interview, I think you should talk about your sob story or your past experiences. Maybe you could get emotional, and this could sway members of the interview panel. Again, this is a time to ink those deals quickly. In case you're going to ink those deals or in case you're dealing with paperwork, I think you should read between the lines. Maybe someone is taking undue advantage of you or someone wants to take you for a ride. This is why it is imperative, Capricorns, to understand before you sign those documents. Thankfully, there could be somebody, maybe a senior figure, who could watch your back. While working also, I think you may be somebody who is quite pushy and crabby. This could rub people the wrong way. Nevertheless, I think this month is the time to promote your talents. Even your family members are going to do the same. Maybe you should also devote your energies to learning. You should enhance your skills, that is. Sometimes in these final days, you could also be hard pressed for time. Maybe you want the superior or your boss to extend the deadlines. So, this is something you need to work around this month. With respect to your love life, Capricorns, we have this card crossroads. Perhaps you're deliberating, or maybe you have a choice before you with respect to matters of the heart. Or maybe the person you're dealing with is pondering over how to proceed in this connection. Nevertheless, I think Capricorns, you're going to be much admired. We do have the Six of Wands here. You're someone who is quite creative, very attractive as well. I think you're exuding sexual energy as well. But then you may also be somebody who could be suffering from commitment phobia. Or maybe the person you're dealing with could be in the same boat. This November is also the time when you can reconnect with that special someone. I think friendship is on the. Maybe this person is also someone who has deep pockets, because we do have the King of Pentacles here. I think you needn't have regrets in life, rather you should proceed. Sometimes, you may feel that this person is uncertain about his feelings, or maybe he is hiding behind a mask. Anyhow, even if you are the one who is making an effort to reconnect, I think you are somebody who doesn't want to have regrets in life. That is why you are going to do the same. Those of you who are romancing, I think you will definitely enjoy free-flowing conversations. Maybe your person is also someone who is going to acknowledge your talents. But then again, Capricorns, I think you should be mindful of your words. Sometimes we can offend the person we love the most by saying something unkind or untoward. That is why you may feel remorseful. Married Capricorns, I think your marriage definitely has those good and bad days. That is why you may be feeling that you are at the crossroads here. The final message in this reading is rainbow, which talks about renewal. It definitely is a symbol of hope in many cultures. Possibly it's a time for new beginnings, change, or even hope. I think for many of you, it's also a period of spiritual awakening. Luck is definitely on your side. Like I said, you may be wanting to renew contact with somebody this month. We did talk about reconnections here, so certainly this could bring in a change in your life. All in all, Capricorns, this November, you're going to be in the spotlight. You're going to ink those deals. You're going to be somebody who is going to look for the rainbow in every storm. Besides, there's a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow, which is yours for the taking. I hope, Capricorns, you liked your reading. This is Tarot with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.